Welcome to Predicted Trades. I want to show you how on September 28th, Wednesday, the market made an incredible bounce off of a low of a year and went up all day. And I want to show you how at Predicted Trades we capitalize on that movement. What you're looking at is our proprietary software, which plots key levels on your equity, futures, and options charts. We use these levels to risk against for moves up, down all day long. ES opened at this white line, our opening range. It dips to our buy zone and catches a bounce. It gets up to our sell zone, has a pullback, sets a higher low at our buy zone again, and that's where we start to go long. We pair this with other things in the market, like the dollar DXY. It started to drop into our opening range and it couldn't get through the sell zone. It gave out this trend line it's been riding up for the last couple of days and dropped lower. So with the dollar giving out, when ES came back down and set a higher low, we get in for the trade with a very tight risk. If it rolls over and sets new lows, we're out quickly. But we caught a nice bounce that quickly got up to a new high. So we hold on. The move is confirmed, and the dollar just kept dropping. You can see the same over on SPY. It opens, drops to our buy zone, takes off to our sell zone, comes back and sets a higher low in our buy zone, and that's when we get in and load. You can see down on the call, that's also where we got our buy signal, in our buy zone. We started calling out getting into that trade at about $1.30 to $1.60. And we ride that up to our levels above to take profit. We lock some at about $3.50, we lock some at $4.50, we lock some at $5, and we hold all the way up to $7 on the runners we have. We also hit SPX. As you can see, the tool loads up automatically as you switch around from ticker to ticker on SPX. The same thing, it hits our buy zone at about $1.70 to $2. We get in there, it quickly gets up to about $5 where we lock some profit and leave runners. That gets up to $8 twice in our sell zone, and that's where we're locking up most of our profit. It comes down and retests the exact same spot that it bounced at that $1.80 to $2 where we get back in, and it runs up to our outer shaded region at about $15. Not quite a 10x, but pretty darn close. We also hit QQQ. QQQ gave the same pattern. Hits our buy zone, runs up, hits sell zone, comes back, holds low of day, and that's where we get in long on the 275s, I believe it was. There we go. And as you can see, the same thing. Those 275s dip down to our buy zone at about $1.10, and we ride those up. They get to $6 at the end of the day for about a 6x trade. We do this every day in Predicted Trades. We provide our tool to our members. It's updated daily. You import it, and it will auto plot on all of your charts, on futures, on equity, on options. We use these key levels every day to get the best edge in options day trading. So if you're new to Predicted Trades, please come check us out. You can join our Discord for free. There is a link in this description and on our website. You can come test out our tools. Every Thursday we have a free day where you can trade alongside with us in our live trading room. You can test out our tools that will work on this week's expiration options. So come join Predicted Trades. You owe it to yourself. If you haven't seen it yet, go check out our video on the previous day where we dropped and hit new lows because we had the same setup in reverse. So if you haven't checked it out, go check out our other recap video for September 27th. Thanks for tuning in.